Say to Dan Mardayaw o Eskel Penumbra, Romeo TV Vlogs, ang kay Janjan, and also who's else that person, o Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, and the other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Don't create a fake account in Facebook. Be more responsible how to use social media. Oh, responsible. Oh, like you, Dan Mardayaw. When you create a fake account, when you create trolls, you're blaming Rodelio Daguman that he ruined Cedric Mariano. First of all, Danmar, he already apologized to us. Can you just stop harassing that person that he doesn't do anything? Oh, you're the one who brainwashed Cedric to create fake account, to ruin Cedric Mariano. You know, for you, Danmar, just stop creating fake account. Kuya Bear is warning you. Oh, Kuya Bear says to me, when you create fake account, that is a sign of cyberbullying. Oh, you're a Catholic, Danmar. You're the one who started this. You're the one who create fake account on Facebook. Blame yourself. Blame to other people. Blame to yourself. Do not blame other people. Like me, I never want to create fake account in the past, but I did to Teacher Vincent, Teacher Gio, who else? Even what I did to Rafa Soco, even what I did to Teacher Isa Bancula, that was an ex-girlfriend of Teacher Vincent. Oh, I know this is my fault. If I were you, Danmar, deactivate that your stupid fake account in Facebook. Even you, Eskel Penumbra. Have all of you never learned about the social media etiquette? What was learned from Teacher May? And even Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos? Oh, to create dummy accounts, to create fake accounts? I was told by Kuya Bear and Jerick Silva, there's the only person who create a fake account. Oh. Danmar, if I were you, you need to stop this. Look at Tera Francisco. Oh, he's never make fake account. Look at me, I never want to make fake account. Oh, you need to stop this. You don't know about cyberbullying, Danmar. You do not know about cyber libel. Look at Dion, Mark Dion. I'm just asking to you, Danmar. He's more responsible rather than you. He's more responsible than you because you are creating fake account, Danmar. You are not very responsible. Both of you, Eskel Penumbra, Danmar Dayaw, both of you, you're creating trolls. Both of you are creating fake account. Both of you are abnormal. Is this right to create fake account? Huh? Danmar Dayaw and Eskel Penumbra? I'm not making fake account to all my opinion. As I'm a content creator or as my YouTube blogger, I'm not making fake account.
Andre, ang lakas ng boses mo. May Alexin, may debate sa baba.
What?
May debate sa baba. Ang
What?
lakas ng boses mo.
Oh. Just like I said before to all of you, we have to be responsible to use social media. Like me, I'm making my YouTube blog, how to be responsible in social media. If I were you, Danmar Dayaw, listen to Roylan Marlang. Oh, me, I listen to Kuya Bear. When I listen to Kuya Bear and and Roylan Marlang. Oh, I never want to create fake account in Facebook. At least they understand me. Oh, I will never create fake account in Facebook. I never create trolls. Oh, let's stop this creating so much trolls. People there are anti-Marcos than Mar. Respect their own opinion. Look at aside of Kuya Bear. Oh, look at Nanay Net. Oh, even Ate Isa. They are anti-Marcos. They are anti-Marcos. Even let's say about RM. Oh, that kid is anti-Marcos. Oh, Mark Dion is anti-Marcos. Everyone are anti-Marcos than Mar. You see those people, look at in the school of Mark Dion. Oh, in Sacred Art, they have a lesson about historical revisionism against Marcoses. Oh, Dan Mardayaw. I say again, if you visit Sacred Heart, I will show you. Oh, what's the lesson of Mark Dion? That is a huge slap at your face, Dan Mardayaw. Danmar, stop creating fake account. It's coming Easter Sun. It's really after the Easter Sunday. You're creating a trolls at Rodelio. You're creating to troll to Rodelio Daguman that he doesn't know about Ernest Marisigan. What is wrong with you, Dan Mardayaw? What is your real problem, ha? To create a dummy account. You are abnormal, Dan Mardayaw. I'm sorry, oh. Do not create fake account, Dan Mardayaw. I say again.
Sige, para matanggal ka na sa YouTube. Matanggal ka sa lahat-lahat. Sige.
I say again, Danmar, be responsible. Oh. In social media like Facebook. Oh. Be responsible. Because like me, oh, if you saying about those things are really, it really happened, oh, don't do that to Rodelio. Just learn about how we should use social media. Oh, like me, I listen to Teacher May. Oh, when I say to Teacher May, I'm not making fake account. Oh, I listen to Teacher May. Like I say to you, Danmar, Tera Francisco is warning you. Oh, you need to stop this. Oh, I'm not picking a fight in Facebook. I always like Norman Mangusin, like Francis Leo Marcos. Oh, you know, Danmar, stop creating fake account. Oh, Dan Mardayaw. Because, you know, look at yourself. Oh, you're creating fake account to ruin Rodelio. It's not good. Like me, what I did to Teacher Vincent Ramos, I said, oh, what I did it to Teacher Gio Malana, I think this is really not happened to them. Oh, you need to stop. Oh, like Ate Mirso Siako said to me, oh, when you create fake account, don't do that again. Oh, at least I listened to her. Oh, you know that, you know, for to everyone, oh, like I said before, Dan Mardayaw, be responsible in social media. Not too much trolls. Oh, why I call Dan Mardayaw abnormal? Dan Mardayaw is abnormal. Oh, you're the one who created fake account in Facebook. Oh, is this being a good autism? Creating fake account? Oh, it's not good to create fake account. I know I insult Dan Mardayaw. I accuse Dayaw. it's not really good. Oh, what if I say to you, Dan Mardayaw, if the if the NBI and the PNP, if they arrest you, if they trace your IP address, if if Sir Rodelio Daguman had located the IP address in your house, oh, like I said before, madidemanda ka pa, Danmar. Makakasuhan ka pa, Danmar Dayaw. Oh, do not create fake account in Facebook. My advocacy in my YouTube video, I showing learning how to be responsible in social media. For me, for what I did to to aside of David Gill, what I did to David Gill, oh, I'm being responsible for attacking of the church. Oh, I'm the one responsible to attack Mrs. Annie Gill. And what is my real problem? Oh, for me, that is my consequence. That I'm the one who created the fake account. Oh, this is my consequence for what I did to Larry Chuanico. When Mr. Dennis Gill explained, oh, I'm the one who make Ray Lawrence Chuanico fake account. Oh, that is my responsibility. Don Mardayaw, be more concerned to yourself. At least I will upload this in my YouTube video and TikTok. And I'll make sure you need to be responsible. Oh. Because if you're not responsible, you will be arrested by a police, Danmar, or the IP address will be located. Oh, it's not good to call Rodelio Daguman. You saying to him that you hacked Rodelio Daguman's Facebook account. You try to make fake account that you said Maniakis is Cedric. This is your fault, Danmar. Don't blame Rodelio. Do not blame Cedric. It is your fault.